Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more stressful than trying to log your baby's feed times, tracking every single ounce of liquid gold, and wondering if your sleep-deprived brain is actually remembering the numbers right. When you are traveling, whether you are checking into a 5-star resort in Maui or navigating a busy flight, keeping track of your baby's schedule can feel like a full-time job. But guess what? You do not need to rely on messy paper logs or clunky apps that drain your phone battery. Today, we are spilling the tea on the absolute best high-end tech gadgets that track your baby's ounces and feed times, making luxury travel with your little one a total breeze. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your mind or your luxury aesthetic. We know that being a breastfeeding mom who loves high-end gear means you expect your baby tech to be as smart, sleek, and functional as your favorite designer tote. You do not have to compromise on style or efficiency just because you are on vacation. Grab an iced coffee and let's get into the ultimate game-changer gadgets that will completely elevate your travel feeding routine. Let's start with the absolute crown jewel of smart feeding tech, the Blue Smart Mirror. If you are tracking ounces like a pro, this little device is a total lifesaver. It is a sleek, smart silicone sleeve that slips right onto the bottom of your baby's high-end glass or plastic bottles. It automatically measures how many ounces your baby drinks in real time, tracks the duration of the feed, and syncs all that data directly to your smartphone via Bluetooth. This is a massive game changer for long travel days or road trips when you are focusing on the road or trying to relax in the airport lounge. You do not have to guess how much milk is left or write anything down while rushing through TSA. It logs everything perfectly, so you can just enjoy your trip and review the data later. Next up, let's talk about the ultimate wearable tech for breastfeeding mamas, the LV Catch and its brilliant ecosystem. While you are wearing your favorite cordless pump on the go, you need a smart way to track your supply without the stress. Coupling a luxury wearable pump with a dedicated smart tracking device like the Sprout or Huckleberry Smart Buttons changes everything. For a truly bougie experience, some new smart bottles and scales integrate directly with your feeding apps to weigh your pumped milk down to the exact milligram. When you are changing time zones on a luxury vacation, keeping your feed times consistent is tough, but these smart sensors automatically adjust for time zone shifts, sending reminders straight to your Apple Watch so you never miss a beat or a pump session. Finally, let's look at the ultimate travel companion for logging on the go without even touching your phone, the Tully Baby Tracker. This device is incredibly sleek, compact, and slips right into your Prada diaper bag. It is a one-touch hardware logger with dedicated buttons for nursing, bottles, pumping, and diapers. You literally just press a button, and it instantly syncs the data to the cloud via Wi-Fi. If you are relaxing poolside and don't want to stare at a screen, you just tap the button and get back to your vacation. It is the ultimate luxury move for staying fully organized with absolute zero effort. Tracking your baby's ounces and feed times doesn't have to feel like a chore. With the right high-end tech, you can keep your baby perfectly on schedule while living your absolute best life. If you love these luxury gear tips, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite travel feeding hack. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.